So where's the entrance? Is that the entrance?
Yes.
Oh. Oh.
But in terms of, well, it looks big. But
It's a good map. The station's here, and we are here.
everything that you may want to see is like right here.
But
Yeah, uptown area.
The upper
Uptown.
city,
Yeah.
upper
The
town is
upper
here?
city, no, it's
Or-
here. That's the upper
Oh, so
city.
compact.
It's right here.
Really
Oh,
compact.
right.
Oh.
The cathedral is in upper town?
No, it's not.
No?
The cathedral is
Right.
here.
Yeah, just over there.
Versus Cathedrala and the upper city.
Hmm.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Upper
Yeah, and these are theaters. These must be, these masks.
Croatian? You mean Croatian National Theatre?
No.
Oh,
These,
well, there are
but
some theaters.
maybe they're closed because it's
There are some,
summer vacation.
There are some, but that's the Croatian National Theatre is
There or there?
here. Well, with the Trg Maršala Tita.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a mask here too.
In her something, in her...
That's the Croatian
yeah.
National
Yeah,
Theatre. That
yeah.
looks like probably like the one in Vienna looks the same.
All right.
And
The Habsburg.
yeah.
That's good.
So besides music, well, in terms of sightseeing, what would you like to see? Besides the upper town.
Is that where the medieval